What's up guys, welcome to Tens of Tech YouTube channel. A few days earlier Samsung had released a teaser for their upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10 flagship. In the teaser, S Pen was making a camera which was showing the punch hole which will be available in the Note 10. And now Samsung had released another trailer which shows how Galaxy will be for the power users. As this teaser has been launched by the Samsung Indonesia, and the teaser showcased that how powerful will be the Note 10. They are saying that you don't need multiple devices to switch back and forth to complete your work. I'm pretty sure that it will not replace the PC and laptop, but it will have a features which are more powerful than the other smartphone which are currently in 2019 has been launched, so the work will be done quite easily. As the leak suggested, there are plenty of features with other phones don't have, like the S Pen and the Samsung Desk. S Pen, like the rumor suggested, has an air mouse feature which will be handy while presentation. Speaking about the Desk, Note 10 will not require any cables as it was previously required for the S Pen, S9 and S8. So as the leak suggests, Note 10 will not have headphone jacks, which is kind of a sucks, but there will be a reason for this move from Samsung. Maybe they want to sell their earbuds which are wireless. The Brisby button is also removed, and another feature which was removed as well as the leak on the back cover is suggested that the smaller variant of Note 10 does not have a heart rest sensor, while the Plus variant will have it. So all in all, these are some of the latest news and leaks which are come out for the Samsung Galaxy Note family, and I will be keep you updated about the latest news which will be coming around for the Note family. So keep watching, just subscribe my video if you like it, please thumbs up, share it with your friends, and peace out.